Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin. Today we're taking a closer look at the current state of the market and where things might be headed. So let's dive right in. Bitcoin, the flagship cryptocurrency, just printed a golden cross. That's a bullish sign that often signals the start of a new uptrend. But despite this positive development, the price has shown little follow-through momentum. In fact, it's actually been slipping back down towards $95,000, which is a pretty big drop from its recent peak near $96,000. What's concerning here is that Bitcoin's volume or trading activity has waned significantly since its last breakout in April. And with the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, hovering around 64, we're not seeing much buying pressure. This suggests that investors might need to lower their expectations for a big breakout. Now, let's take a look at Shiba Inu, another popular cryptocurrency that's been making waves lately. SHIB has seen its trading volume plummet in recent days, which is a major red flag. When we see this kind of drop in volume, it often means that there's not enough investor interest to support price movements. In fact, Shiba Inu recently tried to break above some significant resistance levels, but it was quickly halted by the lack of follow-through volume. With its RSI falling close to neutral territory and moving towards the 50-day EMA, SHIB now seems to be heading in the direction of the lower levels. That's a pretty serious problem. The absence of buying pressure is concerning because it suggests that Shiba Inu might not have enough momentum to make significant gains. And if we look at its chart, we can see that it's been struggling to break above key resistance levels. Now, let's move on to XRP, which has been consolidating within a narrow range lately. While it's still holding above the $2 threshold, this is a classic volatility squeeze, and historically, these configurations have produced sharp directional moves. The issue here is that we're not seeing much momentum in either direction. The RSI is stuck at around 51, which suggests that there's no clear direction for XRP to break out in. And with its volume levels flatter than usual, it's hard to say whether this will be a bullish or bearish move. However, some analysts are suggesting that XRP could potentially break above the $3 mark if it can secure a daily close above $2.25 $2.30 and then break out of its descending channel. But this target is far from certain, and there's still a lot of uncertainty surrounding XRP right now. So what's next for these cryptocurrencies? Well, at Bitcoin Bulletin, we're always keeping a close eye on the market and its trends. And based on what we're seeing here, it seems like investors might need to be more cautious than they were just a few weeks ago.